Do you want to master your next business meeting? Well, how well do you think you would do if you showed up to play a baseball game without knowing the rules? Or if you sat down to play a game of chess without knowing how the pieces move? Well, believe it or not, most people attend meetings and serve on boards without having even a basic understanding of the rules that govern their meetings. Instead, they simply follow what they see and hear other members doing. You can break out of this rut by actually learning the rules. Did you know that the same basic rules of parliamentary law apply to almost every single meeting in every single organization? Learning these rules allows you to participate with confidence in any meeting. That's why I developed the basic course of parliamentary law, so that you can learn how to confidently exercise your rights and get the most out of your meetings. The course uses animations, practical examples, and quizzes to bring you the information through a fun and interactive learning experience. In this video series, we'll cover everything you need to know to obtain exclusive control of the floor, to speak within the rules of debate, to make proper motions, to amend motions, and to fully understand the voting process. The course contains quotes from Robert's Rules of Order and references where each pertinent rule can be found. So click the link to the video series and start watching. I'll see you there.